You still got to get a new wig for your birthday, though. This is a good one. I love how this red color came out. Ooh, this looks good.
I've never done burgundy.
Ever?
Ever.
This will be your first burgundy wig?
Yes.
What do you...
Color wig in general.
Oh, okay.
I always do black. But I want to do like a Shigo green on the bottom.
What's Shigo green?
Like that really, if not that neon green, or just actually like a deep emerald.
An emerald
like
green.
Almost black.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
With emerald, that's what
With
I
the
want.
ombre. Keep the root and then add that green color in.
That's what I want.
We got you. Yes.
Cause that green.
Yeah, it's always fun to play in color, especially with a wig. And you just walked over and heard about us?
Well, I was in the neighborhood because I work.
Okay.
Here, and I was coming up through this way, and I said, "Is that a hair shop?" No. But I've googled hair shops before, like last year, and your shop came up. But I guess you guys were closer towards Inglewood, maybe.
No, we've always been right here.
Okay, but see, then I don't even know where I'm from. Truth be told.
Right in
I'm from
Culver.
Compton.
Okay.
So this area is new for me.
Well, welcome to Culver City.
Thank you. So I looked it up, and then I'm not sure why I didn't put but then again, I was just like, I'll just get some braids for now.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to be economical, but no, I'm not doing that anymore, okay? Because I'm suffering. My mental health is declining.
That's never good.
I need some.
Well, now you know where to come.
Yes, it is right across the street.
And let us know if you have any questions about maintenance, how to take it on, how to take it off, anything. We'll style it for you if you need us to cut some layers in it.
Oh, for real?
If you need some bangs, we do all of that. So don't ever hesitate.
I'll cut the whole unit up. I will. I've tried to cut a few little bobs myself, and it was just, yeah, it didn't go so good. Oh, some curly. Look at me just thinking about what I'm going to buy next.
Got it.